Sasakay kami sa tuktok. Tuktok. Oh my God. You want to sit in the middle? You can sit in the middle. Oh, you will sit there. So this is the situation here. Tok-tok ride. Hello everyone. From Ratinong. From Ratinong Market. Where are we heading?
Soy Cowboy.
Soka boy?
Soy Cowboy.
Soy boy. I don't know where these guys are taking me. So I'm only going.
So,
I'm doing this vlog. I'm the only oldies player.
you're not the only oldies here. Where are we
Guys,
now?
nakarating ako dito sa Soy Cowboy. Nakakatuwa. Ang daming magagandang babae. First time ako nakarating sa ganito. Nakita niyo yan? Galing.
Go, go.
Nakakatuwa! Oh, this is nice. Hindi ko malaman kung ano sasabihin ko, pero first time ako nakarating sa ganito.
What's your experience been so far in Soy
Oh,
Cowboy?
the whole experience is very nice here. Never expected place like this.
Yeah.
First time seeing place like this in Thailand. And
What do you think of Soy Cowboy?
oh, it's very nice, very entertaining. Lots of people, lots of women and men here. It's really nice. You should come here. So guys, pag andito kayo sa Thailand, dapat pumunta rin kayo dito. Isa sa magandang lugar na pwede niyong puntahan. Marami kayong makikita dito.
What is your thoughts of Soy Cowboy?
Guys, you should come here in Thailand. You should visit Thailand. It's very nice here. Very entertaining. First time for me here. Look, so many people and so many nice ladies
And
and men. So that's it for today here in Soy Cowboy. Bye.